Just waiting for a few more.
Who else is coming?
Oh, no one you need to worry about.
Stay in the cage.
How's it going down there, ladies?
Hey! Put these back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This vessel belongs to Esteban.
And on my boat, no loose ends. Please don't do this.
What is that? What is going on? Do not open this cage. It's sinking! Connor! We're down here! He's gonna kill us too. You get that, right?
I cannot let you or your friends get in the way of my business. You want to be respected? Earn it. Go.
We don't have much time.
This is just a warm-up. It'll change your life. I promise you.